908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. You heard. Now I'm back at y'all again with another crazy banger. This watch is so crazy, that's why my hair looks like this. It got me going crazy by GLD, you know what I mean? Another one of those alpha era joints, you know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, anything. If you like this product or anything that I present from GLD, including this watch that I'm giving y'all today, please click my affiliate link down below. Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male, and alpha females in the building. You heard, you know what I mean? Now let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D. Now, like I showed y'all from the beginning of the video, this is another one of those crazy iced out alpha era, you know what I mean, brand new Roman numeral watches. Excuse me, you heard, you know what I mean? In the beginning of the video, I had a shine test for y'all, and if y'all wait to the end of the video, y'all will see me diamond test it. You heard, you know what I mean? So let's just see what GLD got for us today with this presentation, although y'all already know which watch it is, you know what I mean? Now, as y'all know from my last alpha era watch video, you know what I mean? Presentation is key. Y'all already know what comes around the box. Y'all know the box is big, bulky. You know what I mean? Got that good old GLD logo. We love that logo. You know what I'm saying? Bam! Look at that thing. Woo-wee! That thing is iced out. Now, I know what y'all gonna say. Hey, yo, Stevie D, I thought you said you more into the plain Jane joints. But when I saw this, I couldn't help myself but to get my hands on one of these things, you know what I mean? This thing looks crazy. This right here is when you're going to hit the club or fancy, you know what I mean, business meeting or a nice hot date. You pull this out and you are for sure to stunt. Now, we already know what comes in the box already. Authenticity card, card to set the time that shows you how to work the watch when you want to set the time, you know what I mean? We got that good old the struggles, you know what I mean? Link removal with the good old GLD logo on the link remover that comes with each and every one of their watches, you know what I mean? It doesn't feel cheap at all. This thing feels premium, you know. Roman numeral, yellow gold, you know what I mean? Handset stones around the bezel. Alpha era watch. Look at that thing. Look at this thing right here. This thing is no joke. You know what I mean? This thing is not playing games at all. You know what I mean? Just gotta give y'all a nice little look. We already know what comes in the box. You know what I mean? Let's take it off the pillow. Let's put that down 2 seconds so y'all can really get a look at what this thing is hitting for. This thing is crazy. This might become my new favorite. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Look. Fully iced out everywhere. I couldn't help myself. Although I said I'm more of a plain Jane, so this probably won't get pulled out often. Not too much at all. Look at this thing. You know what I mean? So I already know what y'all want to know. I just, you know what I mean? I'm elated by GLD's presentation. Nice boxes, nice pillows, you know what I mean? As every alpha era watch comes in nice cases, nice watches, nice pillows, and their presentation is amazing. But I already know what y'all want to know. So let's get to it. Hey, yo, Stevie D. That thing looks crazy. How much is that thing right there? So, I will have y'all know this one is one of the more pricier ones right here. You know what I'm saying? I know that I'm always showing y'all affordable accessories, but this one is a little bit pricey. And with that being said, wait, fret not, there are deals coming behind it. So this one right here at 18 karat gold plated. You know what I'm saying? This is the basic iteration form. 18 karat gold plated stainless steel watch. You know what I mean? Look at that. And also water resistant. You heard. This is $949. You heard? Let's repeat that. $949. Now, what I will say before going on to the next price is this. Right now, they got a buy one, get one free option with a lot of their watches and a lot of their, you know what I mean, inventory. So I suggest if you want this watch, you know what I mean, go ahead, take advantage of it. Get this watch and maybe a chain or a chain and this watch, and you know what I mean, you'll be good to go. You know what I mean? And like I said, with a lot of their stuff, if not almost everything except for their solid gold inventory, you know what I mean, you can use the app Sezzle, you know what I mean, where you can pay one payment, or you'll break up your payments into 4 different payments. The minute you make your first payment off, your product goes. You heard. Give you another look at this thing. This thing is crazy. I know y'all hear that plastic. You know what I mean? We already know plastic beater. I ain't got to keep repeating it. And we already know that these things are CZ stones. But when you put this thing on your wrist, you know what I mean? You already know what I'm going to say. We walk around like 1, 2, 3. Who cares? You know what I mean? We won't care about what kind of bag everybody else got. Because when you got this around your wrist, you know what I mean? Nothing else matters, you know what I mean? I walk around with my arm out the window of my car looking at everybody like, who cares? You heard. Now, for those who are hating at the fact that these ain't real diamonds, I got that price for y'all too. At 14 carats, you know what I'm saying? 14 karat solid gold, you know what I mean? The price for this is a whopping $44,499. You heard? So if you got that bag for the real solid gold watch version of this thing right here, you know what I mean? It would be $44,499, which is pretty much $44,500. You know what I mean? $44,500 basically is what it is, because it's 44.4.99999, if you know what I mean. Take a look at this thing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Now, the other version to this watch, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go for that BOGO option, you know what I mean? That buy one, get one. They got the same watch that looks basically similar. They got it in white gold as well. They got the Roman numerals, or you could go for the other version. That's the baguette style. Now, with the baguette style, the prices are the same as I listed in the beginning. The baguette style is their baguette, you know what I'm saying? Instead of Roman numeral numbers, they're baguette diamonds as, you know what I mean, your numbers for the time. You know what I mean? This thing looks crazy. And like I said before, this watch is definitely water resistant, but let's not kid ourselves. Do not go scuba diving and thinking you're going to last the whole way down, depending on how deep you go. But shout out to GLD for this one. This one is clean. This one is mean. This one is very supreme. You heard. I'm liking this one right here. This one is super dope. This thing is going to have my wrist looking crazy. You know what I mean? So, if you don't want to go with that buy one, get one option, you could also use GLD new. You know what I mean? If you just want to get this one watch, you can get some percentages off by using GLD new, or definitely go for their BOGO buy one get one that they're releasing right now. You know what I mean? That they do very often, and you can get this watch and a chain, or this watch and another Alpha Era watch for that buy one get one. You heard. This thing is super clean. If y'all stay to the end of the video, y'all will see that I will diamond test it. You know what I mean? This thing is pretty clean. Tell me what y'all think of this thing. I'm liking this thing, man. This might be my new favorite. This one will be my flashy, you know what I mean? Going to parties and stunting on everybody. And the other one will be my everyday when I'm dressed up, you know what I mean? Flexing on everybody. Tell me what y'all think of this thing. I like it. You know what I mean? I enjoy it. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. So right now, we're hitting the portion where I'm diamond testing the watch, and as you can see, nothing hits. I tried a good couple of times, and as you can see, nothing hits. You know what I mean? But we know these are CZ stones, so it's nothing to be mad at, but this watch is crazy, no doubt. I think it's worth the money they're charging. GLD overdid themselves with this one. I like it. Go take advantage of the deals, their buy one get ones, and all their coupons. You know what I mean? Click my affiliate link below, and guess what? I'm out.